Dalat is one of my favorite cities in central Vietnam. It's really quaint, quiet. It's not really a big party town. I hear a lot of expats complain that it's like boring there, that they don't have a big nightlife scene like they do in like Ho Chi Minh or Hanoi or Da Nang or Nha Trang. It's really boring there. I mean, there are a few nightclubs and bars, but it doesn't really have like the vibrant, crazy like nightlife scene that you'd find on like Bui Vien Street or anything. But there's plenty of stuff to do. It's got amazing coffee shops. It's really relaxing. There's amazing organic farms in the area, fresh produce. You know, there's cooler temperatures because it's up in the mountains. I like it. It's just like one of my favorite places, and I highly recommend if you want to go to someplace relaxing in Vietnam. Yeah, just to chill out for a few days. Dalat, I highly recommend. Please go.
Cindy and I just stopped in this little street side pho place. They got one thing on the menu, pho, and it's whatever they make, so I ordered one. So here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, here it comes, here it comes. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh, there it is. Oh god. To die for. Yeah. Oh man, the pho is killer here. Just Dalat City Center. Really good. Oh my god. All right, let's go. Yeah. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but I say the geodiddy-gong. If you ever need to buy electronics in Vietnam, here's where you go. There's a laundromat. Nonsense. Another cafe, On Cafe. It's a little garden at the intersection of these two streets. Little seating area in here. Overlooking all that. They have fresh organic food here, and vegetarian food, and coffee, and smoothies, and juices, like fresh squeezed juice drinks. There's Cindy right there. She's so excited that we're here. Yes. She wanted breakfast. They have breakfast all day as well. Let's take a look inside. Hello, very nice people working here. Hello. little cafe. People working diligently. Bathroom. Little creme brulee and desserts, milk bar on the outside. There we are. And for whatever reason, they even have a security guard. On cafe. Come check it out. Juices came in these little jars. They're already pre-made. Just dump them in there. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, fancy. This is on the edge of the Dalat night market. There's a big area where they got a bunch of hawker stands and selling different hot pots, barbecue, different pho, you know, different stuff. Pretty cool. We're gonna get some stuff over here. Right. I got some chicken congee, some rice, barbecue. Oh yeah. I think I went a little overboard with the food here. Oh yeah.
Oh, that looks so good. $7. All we did was eat today.
Fine with me. This is what a lot of people call Hotel Street. Because, for obvious reasons. It's in the center of Dalat at the top of the hill. It's just a bunch of hotels. So if you're staying in Dalat, and you need a hotel, come to the center of Dalat on the big hill to Hotel Street. Good tips. There's a pheasant in there. 2 pheasants. So we're outside Pho Hieu. It's a vegan, vegetarian, Vietnamese restaurant in the heart of Dalat City Center. Yeah, it's very good. I've eaten here before. Let's check it out.
They have vegetable bread.
Oh, yummy. Oh, so delicious. Look, we got some tea too.
I want to know what kind of tea that is.
Mmm, good. Yeah. Oh, let's actually do it for real. Usually when you go for a meal in Vietnam, they give you a little this tea. I don't know what kind of tea it is. A little green tea.
I don't
For
think
free.
that's
It's
a
complimentary.
green tea.
It's not. I don't know what kind of tea it is, but it's
It's
complimentary.
a big tea.
So before I started coming to Southeast Asia, I was under the impression that it was very difficult to be a vegetarian or vegan in Southeast Asia. On the contrary, there are many vegan and vegetarian restaurants all over Southeast Asia, especially in Vietnam. There's many vegetarians here, so don't let anybody tell you otherwise, okay? All right. Anyway, just leaving Khoa. Very good restaurant. Food's always good. When you order there though, be very specific on the menu what you want. It'll say it in English, but what it says in English may not exactly be what you wanted. We ordered braised cabbage, we got morning glory instead. Try your best to pronounce what's written in Vietnamese. That way they can know exactly what you want as well. Sometimes you'll point at one thing and they'll think that you're pointing at the thing underneath it. So just try to pronounce it as best you can. Anyway.
One thing, the English on the menu they said didn't translate to Vietnamese.
Yep.
It wasn't the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what they, yeah. So just be a stickler when you order there. All right. Talk to you later. Dalat, like many Vietnamese cities, is a labyrinth of alleyways, little hollers, and street sides. Kind of confusing if you don't have a good map. So, when you come here, make sure Google Maps is installed on your phone and works, or some sort of map application. Yeah, it can be daunting. All right, Hotel Street. Cindy and I are staying at the Khoa Nguyen Hotel here on what I like to call is Hotel Street. $10 a night on Agoda. Let's check it out. Hello. Oh yeah. Great. Keep getting off the wrong floor. They have a spa on site, like most hotels in Vietnam. Land of massage, land of healthy being and well-being. Oh, there's actually lights on this floor. All right, let's check out my room. Very, very simple at this hotel. Oh, yeah, lights, TV. No fridge at all. Cindy has a fridge, I don't. Wardrobe, bed, bathroom. Look at this right here. And this right here. I love this. JR, Mark, you'll love this. Woo! Safety. Safety first, man. Safety first. All right, chill.